Hey, have you been looking for affordable solo ads to promote your affiliate marketing opportunity and you've came across $10 solo ads and you're wondering if this is actually a quality traffic source or if it's just too good to be true? Now, if you look at their packages right here, there's $10, then there's, $20 packages and everything like that, right? So, this is per month, this is per week, and this is the deluxe, right? So this is per ad, right? So $20, $10 to $20 for a solo ad. You have to think about the quality of the traffic source. This is too good to be true, right? I actually have some clients that have used this traffic and they didn't get good results at all with it. They tell me that they've used this source and they didn't get any results from it. So I mean, the whole thing is cheap is not always good, and not everything is quality, right? So when you get solo ads, you want to make sure that they're highly engaged. You want to make sure that it's coming from a quality traffic source. And this is just way too cheap for solo ads for them to be effective, right? Because if it was really this cheap and it was a good solo, you have to invest money into building your list, right? So whoever is the provider would have to be doing, paid marketing or different types of marketing, and that costs a budget, right? So to be selling traffic this cheap is just too good to be true, and chances are this is crap traffic that you're not going to get very high quality results with. You're not going to end up getting the results that you expect from this traffic source. $10 solo ads is going to give you exactly what it sounds like, which is cheap quality, right? So what I always suggest is I suggest people come over here to my traffic store and check out Profit Builder's traffic, because if you're trying to get into profit and you're trying to learn how to actually use solo ads the right way, I actually go over how to do that the right way. And my goal is to help you to get highly targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting and actually make sure that your landing page and your sales copy are congruent with whatever offer you have. And most importantly, you want to make sure the quality of traffic that you're getting is high quality, right? And I make sure that everybody that gets traffic from me gets very highly engaged people, high quality traffic, people that actually want to buy what they have, and people who, want to be on your list. So, that's the thing about me as opposed to somebody else. And if you're wondering where I get traffic from, it's going to be a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you're going to get a mix of different traffic when you order traffic from me. You're going to get it from a variety of those different sources. And I want to make sure that you get the highest quality traffic on the internet, right? So I help you to actually get results. If you want me to help you to manage your funnel and help you to set that up, that's something that I could do. And, if you notice, my clients have as high as an 85% opt-in rate. So when you go and you order traffic from me, you could check out my testimonials below. My highest to date is 90% opt-in rate with conversions. And I also want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate. It's very important to know your stats when you're running paid traffic. If you don't know your stats, then you're just spending money blindly and throwing it down the drain. So you always want to track your stats, and tracking is very important. Knowing how to actually put your pixels on your pages is very important. Knowing what those numbers mean when the traffic goes through your funnel is very important, so you can know if you're getting a high quality traffic or if you're not, right? And that's where this comes into play at, because I show you how to do all that stuff, and I teach you how to do solo ads the right way, right? And I want to help you to build a list of very highly engaged people who actually have an interest in what you have to offer. So step one, you're going to pick your package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. You would just pick your package below right here. where you see the results. So you'll see the package below. And then we do a campaign review. You can book your campaign review after you, actually get the traffic package. And that's what I would suggest if you want the highest conversions possible. Highest to date is 90%, like I was saying, with conversions. So that's the highest in the solo ad space to date. There's nobody that's got higher than me as of now, right? And then step 3, we launch your campaign within 72 hours or less, depending on when you book the call, right? So if you don't book the call, it's going to be within 72 hours. If you book the call, it might be a little bit more depending on when you book the call. Your traffic will go out right when you finish the call with me, right? So here's some of my testimonials. Here's the 90% right here. Tier 1, 98%. And then these are 200 clicks with 3 sales. And there's plenty of testimonials right here that you can look over for yourself. Here's the 90% tier 1 packages. So you could pick 90% or you could pick 100% right here. 100% tier 1 is always the best. And then if you have any questions, a lot of your questions are going to be answered right here. So make sure you check this section out to see the questions that you may have. You want to check this section out, and it will probably have your questions. And then my guarantee to you is that I cannot offer you refunds because this is paid traffic. But what I can do is I can promise you 100% real traffic. I can promise you that I will compensate you in traffic. If you have any issues with your order, all you got to do is reach out to me. You can reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, or you can reach out to me right here, and then I'll respond to your message as soon as I can. I try to get to messages as quick as possible. So, if you have an issue with your traffic order, just let me know. Please reach out, and I will resolve whatever issue that you have with your traffic. If you're having an issue, if you have a question, also reach out to me with questions. If you have a question, it's very important that you get your questions answered, and I really believe in giving you high quality service, right? So that's what you want to do. So, make sure you click on the link below this video to come to this page and book your traffic package today. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I have a free Facebook group that you could get into. The link is in the description as well. You want to get into that Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and training on how to actually market your business the right way. And again, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I don't want you missing any of the videos that I upload. And I don't want you missing seeing cool people in the background like my friend right there. And you're going to see him in the background of this video. And the only time you can see him is whenever you subscribe to my channel to see his afro, right? So I'll talk to you later, and bye for now.